Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Choro Q videos, 164 tuned cars, and other car toy brand. Anyway guys, Happy New Year to all. And I have this in my Choro Q collection guys. I think it's a Chibikko, Chibikko size. Uh, Self-loading flatbed truck. Okay. It has 6 wheels guys and the same size. Unlike the Targa, Choro Q Targa. I have this one I think I have 3 of this, but it's a Targa, and this one guys I have also 3. Anyway, it has some moving parts. This one only guys. This one. So it has no retractable boom. It's only design guys, as you can see. And in the bottom guys, it says what? Oh, Choro Q. And made in China, Choro Q. The Japanese marker guys, markings, I cannot read that. Sorry. So anyway guys, as you can see, you can put the toy or the Choro Q here. But it's kind of little bit small than the Targa. Okay. Example guys, we will compare it to Targa. As you can see, this one is a Targa guys. So that's the size in the front. Then in the side guys, that's also the size. Okay. And then the bed itself guys, so it's a little bit smaller or wider guys. Compare it to this Chibikko. And this one guys, it has a big tires in the rear compared to this one guys. Okay. And at the bottom guys, it says Targa. And it has moving parts guys. This one guys has a 2 boom lifter. This one and this one. So when you load a car or a construction vehicle guys, or excavator of Choro Q, like this one guys, compared to this one. Okay, so this is a Chibikko guys, and this one is a Targa, and it's a standard size. The Chibikko guys is a little bit smaller, and it has no boom lifter guys, as you can see on this Targa. Okay, so this one guys is good for Chibikko or the Mini. Chibikko or Mini. It's a perfect self-loading flatbed truck. That's it guys. Hope you like my videos. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.